Hello friends, welcome to the next lecture of thermodynamics. It's our fifth lecture friends, excluding the overview of our thermodynamics. Friends, so what is our objective of lesson? Today what we will study? We will study about enthalpy of system. It is related to open system. Then we will go for steady flow energy equation which has constant flow of mass, and then we will analyze ideal gas equation. Dear friends, so let's start with our lecture enthalpy of system. Friends, what is enthalpy? It is amount of energy required to exist an open system. What is open system? A system which has flow of mass and flow of energy across system boundary. So energy associated with open system is termed as enthalpy. Dear friends, enthalpy is the sum of internal energy and surrounding exchange. It means H is equal to U plus PV. Generally, it is denoted by H, and we already know that it is sum of internal energy and surrounding exchange. So friends, U plus PV, PV is surrounding exchange. So we also know that U is equal to CVT and PV is equal to MRT. So mass is unity, so PV is equal to RT. Then friends, we will take T as common and CV plus R is equal to CP, and here we will derive that H is equal to CPT. CP is constant pressure. It is specific heat at constant pressure. Dear friends, it is again energy, so it is extensive property, and it is property, so it is point function. It is fixed at particular point, so it is also exact differentiation. And if we use term specific enthalpy, it means enthalpy per unit mass, okay, which be intensive property. Okay friends, this is all about enthalpy. Okay, now we will move to our next topic, which is steady flow energy equation. What is steady flow? It is flow of mass which is constant throughout the process. Dear friends, it states that mass flow rate through system remain constant. Then that process is called as steady flow process. Some assumptions are taken to derive the equation for steady flow energy equation. Dear friends, the assumption are only two energy interactions are considered. Energy interaction means energy transfer from system boundary. So friends, here it is open, so it is system what there is existence of control volume and control surface. So dear friends, here only transfer of heat and work is considered. There is no another flow of energy is considered here. Then friends, property of system remain constant with respect to time. The volume, the mass, the pressure, the temperature all remain constant. It does not change with time. And friends, there is no accumulation of mass in system. The mass come from inlet is equal to mass go out from outlet. So there is no accumulation of mass in system. So friends, this is the assumption of steady flow energy equation. Dear friends, this is our open system. Okay friends, here in open system we are supplying heat and we will getting work from this open system. It is open system, so we will consider one area which is called as control surface. And friends, this is inlet and this is outlet. Here mass enter at inlet is m1 and enthalpy associated inlet is h1, pressure 1, volume is V C1, speed at this inlet is C1, and this is datum, from distance of datum is Z1, and temperature at inlet is T1. Similarly, for outlet, mass is M2, enthalpy is H2, pressure P2, volume V2, speed at outlet is V2, and friends, there is C2 is speed and Z2 is distance of outlet from datum line, and temperature is T2, friends. So as we know that from first law of thermodynamics, total energy at inlet is equal to total energy at outlet. So friends, what is total energy at inlet? Here friends, first is flow energy, which is m1 h1. We know that E is equal to mc dt. Here we will take C is equal to specific head at constant pressure, so it is m1 h1. And friends, kinetic energy m1 c1 square upon 2. And what is potential energy? mg z1. And friends, so total energy become, this become outside, mass flow rate outside, and we write inside the bracket h1 plus c1 square upon 2 plus gz1. Similarly, what is the energy at outlet? This is flow energy, it is m2h2. Then kinetic energy is m2 dash c square upon 2. Then potential energy is m2 gz2. And friends, similarly, total energy at outlet is m2 comes constant, which comes outside. And friends, in bracket there is remain h2 plus c2 square upon 2 plus gz2. Now friends, we will apply our first law of thermodynamics, and we will get this equation. Here heat is supplied at inlet, so we will plus this heat with our inlet conditions, and we will plus our work done with outlet conditions. So this equation is steady flow energy equation. It is very important. We will use this equation in compressor, nozzle, and also use for turbine. Friends, now it is mass balance. Friends, this is steady flow energy equation. So here flow of mass at inlet is equal to flow of mass at outlet. So friends, from mass balance, flow of mass is mass per unit time. So friends, it become equals to rho 1 A1 C1 is equal to rho 2 A2 C2. Here rho 2 is density at 1, it is area at 1, area of cross section, and C1 is speed at 1. And friends, this rho 1 goes to under and it become specific volume. So we can write as A1 C1 V1 is equal to A2 C2 V2. This equation is also very useful, friends, and this equation is also called as continuity equation, friends. If this density is same, then what we will get? A1 C1 is equal to A2 C2. This is continuity equation if density at 1 is equal to density at 2. So it is very important, widely used to solve numericals. Now dear friends, we will analyze our PV is equal to MRT. What is ideal gas equation? It is, friends, general, but still it is confusing. So once we will concentrate it, then we can easily understand what is our ideal gas equation. It is PV is equal to N R bar T. Dear friends, here pressure is P, which has unit Newton per meter square. V is volume, and PV is equal to W, so it become energy. Friends, now N is number of mole of particles, R is gas constant, friends, and K is temperature in Kelvin. And friends, here R bar is equal to universal gas constant, which is value is 8.314 kilojoule per kilomole Kelvin. And friends, we can write this equation as this: PV is equal to m upon m. M is mass, and this is molecular mass of particle, and this is R bar, and temperature in So friends, PV is equal to mRT. Friends, this R is universal gas constant upon molecular mass, and which has unit is kilojoule per kg Kelvin. And friends, this is R is gas constant. This is only gas constant, and R bar is universal gas constant. Friends, keep in mind what is the difference between R bar and R, only R. This is gas constant and this is universal gas constant. This is common for all gases, and friends, this is different for different gases. Hence now we will find gas constant for various gas which is used in our thermodynamics, like air. R is equal to 8.314 upon molecular mass, which is 29. So for air is 0.287 kilojoule kg Kelvin, and for water is R is equal to 8.314 upon 18 is equal to 0.461 kilojoule kg Kelvin. We have to directly remember this equation, this data, which is very useful in numericals. So friends, this is our end of lecture. Thank you very much.